Did you know you can make money from the different social media platforms that you use? Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, you name it. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 websites that you can be able to use to make money online. In 2009, I started looking out for opportunities to make money online, and over the last 10 years, I've seen what works and what doesn't. So as you watch this video, know that I'm giving you the tried and tested websites that will help you get money. And towards the end, I'll give you a bonus tip, a bonus website, which is very unique to you, and it will make you a ton of money. Not so many people know about it. Personally, I use it, and so should you. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to Daniel Mutuku Show, where I help professionals become successful in their careers. And if this is your first time here, I would like to ask you, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell button so you can get to know each and every time I release a new video. There are a lot of ways of making money online, but unfortunately, most people fall onto the get-rich-quick schemes. They get scammed and they conclude that you cannot make legit money online. I'm here to prove all those people wrong, and there's so many legit websites and ways of making money online. So in this video, as I said, I will share with you 10 websites that you can use to make money online, and I have categorized them into 3 categories. So in category number 3, this is what we call e-commerce websites. There are different e-commerce websites that you can use, but I'll talk about the top 3 e-commerce websites. And an e-commerce website is a site that facilitates the buying and selling of goods and services. Very good example would be Amazon.com, Kilimall.com, or Jumia.com. On these websites, there are 2 ways of making money. Number 1, you can be able to sign up onto their affiliate program. All these websites have affiliate programs. Once you sign up on their affiliate program, you become an affiliate marketer. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the process of earning commission when you promote other people or other companies' products and services. And it is very simple. All you need to do is find a product or a service that you like, share it with your friends, family, or individuals who would be interested in that. And whenever they buy, you get a piece of the profit. So let's say you are very passionate about technology, or you are a gadget kind of person. So go to any of the platform, e-commerce platform, let's say Jumia.com, and then you realize that there is a certain phone that was just released the other day, and it is actually selling. Many people like that kind of a phone. So once you log into the platform, you can get a unique link to that product, share it around in the different places. We'll talk about social media, your website, and other places. And then when someone clicks on that link, they go to the platform and buy, then you will be able to get your commission. The second way to make money from this e-commerce website is being a merchant. For example, you're already in business, you have a certain product or service that you're offering into the market. Why not sign up onto this platform as a merchant? That enables you to list your products and services onto this gigantic e-commerce website and start getting sales of that website. I would advise you to start thinking about these e-commerce websites differently and also get a piece of the pie from this website. Since COVID-19 hit, the online sales have doubled and have grown over 200%. Why not take advantage of it and start sharing about the different products and services that you care about to your friends, your family, your colleagues, and make money part-time online? The second category of website that I want you to start considering to make money online are freelance marketplace websites. Freelance marketplace websites are just platforms that provide businesses an opportunity to be able to hire freelancers on a short-term contract basis for them to be able to deliver on a specific work or piece of work or project, and they can be able to work remotely. The 3 main freelance marketplaces are Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, and Upwork.com. All these different websites work differently. But the freelance marketplace platform, they provide a safe and convenient way for businesses to get any talent that they can hire for a short period of time, and also provide that link for any talent to be able to work with any big company or a small company on a remote basis. Different freelance marketplace will vary on how they pay based on the kind of work that you're doing. Is it a one-time project, or are they billing per hour, or is it a continuous kind of project that you will be having, and the type of job itself. I checked out Fiverr, and the most popular services that they are providing are logo design, WordPress customization, voiceovers, videography, data entry jobs, translation, such jobs. So if you have any kind of these skills like designing or drawing or website design, I would highly advise to go to these websites and sign up as a freelancer. And then companies can be able to contact you and you do for them these part-time jobs. A place like Fiverr, you are able to create a profile and fill it in with all the kind of skills that you have and start having people bid for your services. The third category of websites that I think are very underutilized are social media websites. This will include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, you name it. A big number of people who are online spend like over 50% of their time on this different social media platform. And it is an opportunity for you to be able to start sharing about your goods and services. And if you don't have any of this, share your affiliate marketing link. Remember, we said you have signed up as an affiliate marketer. Where do you get people to click on your link? Share them on these social media platforms. There's a way that you can use to share it that will be able to attract more attention rather than just going out there and telling people buy. And I'll share with you in a short while how to go about it. Let's take a few minutes and dive a little bit deep onto Facebook, because I really use Facebook a lot. Yeah, Facebook is a gold mine. I get a lot of money from there. Social media platforms, they will not pay you directly, but it is how you use them that will end up paying you. So from Facebook, you can start sharing on your profile. But unfortunately, your profile is a bit limited. You can only get up to 5,000 friends. And of course, I doubt someone can say they have genuinely 5,000 friends, people that they know and they can associate with. But still, it would still work with that small group of people who you know one-on-one, and when you post on your profile, they will get to know. However, another feature on Facebook that can really work well for you is creating a Facebook page. A Facebook page allows you to be able to get as many people to follow your page or to like your page, to millions or thousands. You can create a Facebook page on whatever theme or opinion or however you would like to put it across, and then get people to follow that and share with them about what you're doing. One of the best features on Facebook that really works well is using Facebook groups. So Facebook groups are communities of individuals who have a certain thing in common, and they will come and talk and share on that. And even better, we have some marketplace Facebook group where people actually go there just to sell, and some people go there to check out what is being sold and they can be able to buy. So on social media, you can also do it in two ways. Number one, share your affiliate marketing links so that people can see the product that you are promoting and then they can be able to buy them. Or if you have already a business or a product that you're selling, why not post it on the Facebook pages, groups, and your profile. A different way to approach Facebook or any other social media, unlike going out there and just telling people buy, this is the product, buy, all that really puts people off and they will not be interested in whatever you're posting. I advise you to approach it from an education point of view. Remember the example we said that there is a phone that you would want to promote of Jumia. What I would do personally is to go and research about that phone and write a very good review about the phone, about its features, what it can do, how it is different from the other series and all that. And once I have educated people about that phone, I would say, if you want to buy this phone, here's a link for you to buy. So instead of just telling them right off the bat, buy, which really makes you very salesy and pushes people away, lead with education. Tell them this is a phone, this is what it can do for you, these features it has, it is different in this manner, and if you want to buy it here. An educated customer is way better, and they will keep on coming back to your community to check out what you have posted. And before I go to my bonus point, I want to say this. Here at Career Point Solutions, we help people get jobs. And one way we are able to do that is by providing a free CV review. And recently, we actually started offering free career coaching session. If you'd like to take advantage of this free service, head over to www.careerpoint.co.ke/CV review. There you'll get an opportunity to submit your CV for the review, and one of our coaches will actually give you a call to discuss with you what are your goals and what are the challenges that you're facing at the moment, and how we can help you get there as fast as possible. Again, head over to www.careerpoint.co.ke. And now to the bonus tip. This website is very unique to you, and if you use it, you will make a lot of money, and that is your own website. Yes, it is important for you to start considering how do you set up your own website. It is very, very cheap to own a website. As a matter of fact, you can be able to have a website from as low as $5 per year. Yes, $5 per year. So with your own website, the advantage here is that you own your own community. Unlike what we have just mentioned about the different social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, anything can happen on this platform. I have seen people losing their Facebook pages. I have seen people with millions of subscribers on YouTube, and overnight, the channel disappears. On this platform, I'm not saying it is bad. It is good to have your communities on the different platforms, but it is also important for you to know that you are building this community on leased land. It can go anytime. You don't own it. But if you have your own website, you are able to own your own community. You are able to control how you communicate to your community. Remember, on Facebook or all these other social media platforms, Instagram, there it is highly dependent on the algorithm. Your message might not go out there because of the algorithm did not find your message very engaging, or people did not really engage with that. But on your website, you control how you communicate to them. You control how you sell to them. You have a lot of control. So I would highly advise you to start thinking about creating your own website. And on that note, I have an online course on how to create a sustainable and profitable online business. Check in the description of this video, click on that link, sign up to the course, and start learning the key skills that you need to create your own business online and start making money online. Also, take a look at this video on how to make money online through data entry jobs. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and I'll see you as I release the next video. I'm out. Ciao.